Good morning, students. Let us start today's online class. Today I am going to take novel The Wonderful Wizard of Oz, chapter number 18. Lesson name is Away to the South. Means we are going to explain this. Students, before reading this, there is one question I would like to share with you here. How do you know directions if you need to travel long distances? So students, answer is coming out that if we travel long distances, we use compass. Nowadays compass, map and the stars position, and with the help of these we find out the directions. But in the ancient time, when there was no compass, when there was no like these, today we have facilities. So how do they get directions? So we are taking here, we have to go through this lesson and try to understand. Students, Dorothy line number 1 I am taking here. Dorothy wept bitterly. The scarecrow was now the ruler of the Emerald City. Means as soon as Dorothy heard about that scarecrow would stay there in the Emerald City and rule over, then Dorothy started weeping bitterly. The scarecrow means it was the time when scarecrow seated on the seat of Emerald City as a ruler. Next line, the morning after the balloon had gone up with the Oz, the four travelers met in the throne room. The scarecrow sat in the big throne and the others stood respectfully before him. Means as soon as Oz took the balloon and he went away from the Emerald City, the four travelers, Dorothy, Tin Woodman, Toto and Lion, met in the throne room where a scarecrow sat on the big throne and others were stood in front of him respectfully because the scarecrow was a ruler. All of Dorothy's companions said that they were happy. Means all of the companions of Dorothy's friends like Tin Woodman, Lion and they said that scarecrow said that they were happy there. Now if Dorothy would only be contented to live in the Emerald City, said the scarecrow, we might all be happy together. Now scarecrow also said that if Dorothy would be satisfied here, would be happy here to live in the Emerald City, so we all means all the friends of Dorothy would be happy to live there. Next pair I am taking, children, but I don't want to live here, cried Dorothy. I want to go to Kansas and live with Aunt Em and Uncle Henry. But Dorothy was not agree and she wanted to go back to the Kansas with his uncle and aunt. So she started crying. And she further said that she would not stay in the Emerald City with them. Well, then what can we do done? Inquired the woodman. Then Tin Woodman asked to Dorothy that what do they do and what should they do so that they could go to the Kansas. The scarecrow decided to think. Finally he said that what he said, why not call the winged monkeys and ask them to carry you over the desert? Then a scarecrow suggested that if they would call the winged monkeys there, surely they would carry Dorothy and Toto to the Kansas very easily. Oh, said Dorothy joyfully. Then Dorothy became very happy, and she exclaimed, she said that she had never thought about it. It's just the thing. I will go at once for the golden cap. That is why she said that it was the time she would go to the golden cap very soon. When she brought it into the throne room, she spoke the magic words, and soon the band of winged monkeys stood beside her. Miss, when she brought the golden cap into the throne room, and she spoke a magic words, and what is very soon she saw that the winged monkeys were standing beside her. Started here. Winged monkeys were standing beside her in the throne room. This is the second time you have called us. What do you wish? Said the monkey's king. And monkey's king said that she had called a second time, and what was the Dorothy's wish? So they would fill. I want you to fly with me to Kansas, said Dorothy. Dorothy said that she want to go to the Kansas, and she want they should fly with her to the Kansas. But the monkey king shook his head. That can't be done, he said. We belong to this country alone. But the winged monkey said that they couldn't do that because they were belonging only to that country. They could not go. And with another bow, the monkey king spread his wings and flew away through the window, followed by all his band. And second time, bowing means respecting to the Dorothy, and monkey king spread his wings and flew away through the window with his band and could not help. What happened then? Dorothy was ready to cry. I have wasted the charm of the golden cap, she said, for the winged monkeys cannot help me. And Dorothy was about to cry, about to weep. She said that she had wasted the charm of the golden cap. It could help another time, and this winged monkey could not help her. The scarecrow was thinking again. Miss Scarecrow started thinking again. Now I am taking next para, children. Let us call the soldiers with the green whiskers, he said, and take his advice. Now the Scarecrow said that they should call the soldiers of the green whiskers, and we should take the advice of them. They could give a good advice so that they could go to the place. So the soldiers was summoned. Scarecrow, then Scarecrow summoned. Summoned means called a soldier. This little girl, said the Scarecrow to the soldier, wishes to cross the desert. How can she do so? Scarecrow said that this little girl wants to cross the desert, and how is it possible to cross the desert? And she wants any suggestion. So what is I can't tell, answer the soldier. The soldiers said that he couldn't answer this question. Is there no one who can help me? Asked Dorothy earnestly. And Dorothy very unhappily asked, is there anybody who could help her? Glinda might, he suggested. And on it he suggested that Glinda could help her. Who is Glinda? Inquired the Scarecrow. After this, Scarecrow asked the soldier, who is Glinda? Next para I am taking children. She is the witch of the south. She rules over the Codling. Besides her castle stands on the edge of the desert, so she may know a way to cross it. He replied that she is the witch of the south. Means she was ruling over the Codling. These are the mountains. Besides her castle, means beside her castle stands on the edge of the desert. And this place is Codling is standing beside the deserts, means edge of the deserts, where from the deserts start. So she may now know a way to cross it. That is why she might know the way to cross the desert. How can I get to her castle? Asked Dorothy. Then Dorothy asked, how could they get the castle of her? The road, next line also I am taking, the road is straight to the south, he answered, but it is said to be full of dangers. Then soldier said that the straight road goes to the south directions, but this road is full of dangers. The Scarecrow said, it seems in spite of dangers, the best thing Dorothy can do is to travel to the land of south and ask Glinda to help her. The Scarecrow said that it seems in spite of danger, means there is a danger here, that the best thing Dorothy can do is to travel to the land of the south. Means it was the best thing for Dorothy to travel this land, south, and ask Glinda to help her. She should ask Glinda to help her to send the Dorothy to Kansas. I shall go with Dorothy, declared the lion. Lion also declared that he would go with the Dorothy to the Glinda. My axe may be service to her, so I also will go with her to the land of the south, said the woodman. Means the Tin Woodman also said that his axe could help her and it was in a service, so he would also go to the Glinda, to the land of the south. When shall we start? Asked the Scarecrow. Scarecrow asked to the Tin Woodman, when will they start to go there? Are you going to? They asked in surprise. Means they all asked to the Scarecrow, would he go there also? Certainly, if it wasn't Dorothy, I should never have had brains. Surely, Scarecrow said, surely he would go, because if it wasn't Dorothy there for help Dorothy, he would never get his brain. Thank you, said Dorothy gratefully. And Dorothy gratefully thanked to the Scarecrow, and she said that they will start tomorrow in next morning to the land of the south. I think students this story is clear to you, and you are able to understand. We will meet you with the question answers in next lecture. Till then, goodbye.